Okay, I just bought this mini welder 90 SIP SIP made in Britain. Found it in the skip, so I brought it home and it's not working for some reason. So I was going to open it up, see what's wrong with it. I've already gave it a good clean off on the outside, so I'll just clean it on the inside and see if we can see what's up with it. I could do with a new arc welder, and a free one is even better. That's a bit stiff, but let's see what's up. Alright, very light inside, switch, thermal cutout, and a big giant transformer. Now if the transformer's gone, this is dead, so I'll just test the switch and then I'll test the cutout, see what happens. Got it set on continuity, nothing on either side of the switch, because it's off. So the switch is okay. So now I'm going to test the cutout. Nothing. So I'm going to say the cutout switch is faulty, but it shouldn't be too expensive. We give it a good clean inside. I'll re-grease the main pole, the main screw thread, and that's going through a lot easier now. Obviously that just moves an iron core, I think, through the centre of the transformer, which adjusts the current output. I don't know exactly how it works, but I know there's no electronics on it, so there's not a lot to go wrong with it really. Just the switch and the cutout. So I'll get working on it. Give it a whack on there a few times, and the thermal cutout is now making contact, so I'll just build it back up and see if it runs. Yeah, it's working now. I've just tested it by touching the electrode to the earth, so I ain't had a proper weld with it, but once I've got it back together and used it a bit, I'll update the video. But it's working fine now. It's just a cutout switch. So these older transformer style, not electronically switched arc welders, really easy to repair and work on. So don't chuck them away, have a look inside, clean them up, grease them up, get them working. Okay, that's it, done.